Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Sorry guys, so today I'm going to show you how to actually redeem your downloadable content. So for example, if you got a special edition of the Nintendo 3DS, you could actually pick up some of the downloadable content. So this is the Super Nintendo version as seen here, which is just a skin version. Alright, so what came with this version is that you got this cool card, as you can see here, and it gives you Super Mario Kart full download. And of course, to redeem it, you'd have to simply scratch off this section here. First thing you need to do is to connect to the internet. As you can see, I'm connected to the internet here successfully. It says internet in the upper left hand corner. And of course, guys, if you have issues connecting to the internet, I have videos on how to connect as well as troubleshooting issues with connections with your Nintendo 3DS. Alright, so after doing that, simply control down here in the menu, and to start redeeming your code after connected to the internet, simply tap on the Nintendo eShop. That's the one that looks like the gift basket right here. Just simply tap and you'll see it loaded. And of course, have your special card with Super Mario or any other game that's being offered for digital download. And of course, you can scratch off this area here to reveal the code. I will not do it since I don't want to reveal my code as I've yet to redeem it. And as soon as the eShop loads, you can see Nintendo eShop. You'll see several games in here. Of course, there's a bunch of cool stuff you can check these out. But of course, we just want to redeem whatever we got. So to simply do that, you're gonna go ahead and simply go back. I kind of just selected something, so I'm just gonna go back. And if you look down here, you'll see the menu. If you select anything, it will show in large up here. So what you can do here is a stop menu, and you're gonna scroll down, and you notice it says redeem code. Just tap on redeem code, and as you can see here, you're just gonna go ahead and scratch this off, enter the code right here, and or you can just go ahead and scan QR code. If there's a QR code, you're gonna hit OK. Then you're gonna download all the content, and of course you should get the game on your main screen. Now of course, it should be straightforward. If you have any questions, you can ask me below. I'll show this in a minute. Alright guys. Of course, guys, I've started to download the game. You can see that the code actually worked. I'd have to go through the process. Say it shows Super Mario Kart. It says read the information on the lower screen. Of course, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go through software required. I download code can be downloaded for free. And of course, it runs me through blocks required, open blocks after download, SD card. Now, of course, I'm going to hit download. It says, thank you. Please select whether you want to download this product now or download it later in sleep mode. I'm just going to hit download now. And of course, it says destination SD card download. Do not turn off system or remove the SD card. And of course, it gives you the option to say download later. And it's actually going through. And I have a pretty fast internet connection, so I'm not expecting that's going to take super long. Alright, and as you can see, guys, internet is on peak. Software has been downloaded as finished. Do you want to continue shopping? Of course, you can view receipt or continue. And what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to go home to see if I actually got the software. New software has been added to the home. Hit OK. And it's here as a GIF, Super Mario Kart. And let's see if it's actually here. Well, test and see, says please wait. And there you go, guys. You can see it says Super Mario Kart released in 1992, and it says virtual console. I'm gonna tap. It says close suspended software and launch it. This one, okay. Closing suspended software. And as you can see, guys, the game is actually loading up. There you go, guys. We have the Super Mario Kart. I could actually just go through. You have one player. Let's go. It's been a while since I've played this game, but of course it looks quite fine. You can go ahead and play. The graphics is classic Mario Kart, but of course it's still a fun game. But of course, as we said, guys, now we have a cool game that you can actually download. Remember that you'll have to actually take the system software. As soon as you select the eShop, it will go ahead and update, and you should have the latest updates once you update the firmware on your device. the interface at the home screen should change, but of course everything will work fine. Alright guys, we're gonna show you how to actually get the cool Super Mario Kart for that's the 3DS that looks like the Super Nintendo. Alright guys, we're gonna from Log Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.